In today's video, I'm going to teach you why Telegram's people nearby disappeared and what to do instead. First, a quick heads up so you know what's really happening. Telegram officially removed the people nearby feature in September 2024. It used to let you discover users within roughly 2 kilometers, but it's been replaced by nearby businesses to focus on verified services rather than personal connections. That's why you're no longer seeing nearby people. There isn't a fix to bring it back because this is a deliberate change by Telegram. What we can do is make sure your app reflects the latest update and explore the best alternatives available now. Start by confirming your app is fully updated through your device's app store. Some outdated versions still reference the old feature, which can be confusing. Open your app store, search for Telegram, and apply any pending updates. Once that's done, open Telegram to ensure the interface matches the current design and terminology. Next, check location permissions so Telegram can access precise location when needed. On your device, go to Settings, find Apps, select Telegram, then Permissions, and open Location. Toggle it off, then back on, and choose Allow while using app. This refresh often clears stale permission states. Precise location helps nearby businesses and other location-dependent features work as intended. If things still feel off, verify your internet connection. Weak connectivity can make features appear missing or unresponsive. Toggle airplane mode on and then off to reset your network and restart the app. If necessary, restart your device as well. A fresh network handshake and a clean app session can resolve lingering glitches. With the legacy feature gone, here are the recommended alternatives. Use nearby businesses found in the contacts section to discover verified local services. It's designed for safety and reliability, and it's the official replacement. For connecting with people, share contacts manually with friends you trust, join public groups relevant to your interests, or use invite links to enter communities that match what you're looking for. These options are safer and more intentional than random proximity matches. If the issue persists after updating, clear Telegram's cache to remove outdated data. In Telegram, go to Settings, then Data and Storage, open storage usage, and tap Clear Cache. If problems continue, reinstall the app to ensure a clean installation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.